guys, welcome back to my channel CRAFTY. This is Devyani. So I thought I should do a challenge video for today. So I'm challenging myself to do my makeup in 5 minutes and using only 5 products. So I hope this video turns out good. Also, let me tell you guys, I don't have any makeup right now on my face. I just have a moisturizer and a lip balm because I think that counts into skincare. So yeah, we'll start with that. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, then go hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and follow me on all my social media. Links will be down in the description box as usual. And without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna put a timer for 5 minutes and then we'll start with it. So I tied my hair into a ponytail and now I'm gonna start the timer. So yes, it's started. I'm gonna put my foundation, concealer all in one pan stick all over my face and around my neck as well, because neck is important. Also my mirror is down here, so I'll be looking over there, don't mind that. And yes, I'm using my fingers because beauty blender se what time lagega and I don't have time today. So yes, I just hope this turns out good and I get all the 5 products that I have with me on my face. So yes, I'm gonna just put it in my under eye area as well. Yes. To set it up, I'm gonna use my compact, which is the Maybelline one, and I'm going as fast as I can. I think I'm gonna need more time for my liner or kajal. I don't know if I'll be able to get liner on my face, but yes, we'll try. So yes, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fashion Brow for my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go with the pencil part first, and it's already 2 minutes over, so I think I still have time. Also, like, I don't know why, but I can't really talk if I'm doing my eyebrows or any of my like eye makeup. I don't know, I'm weird like that. Let me know if you are like me and you don't talk while doing your eye makeup. Okay, it's half time. I have to put. Okay, this is what I do. I usually put like compact around my eyebrows. I don't know why, but it makes me look good. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go with my lipstick. This is a Lakme 9 to 5 mousse. And yes, I just dab it with my finger instead of like going full on. Oh, I have just 2 minutes. I'm gonna go with the same thing as my blush. Because I'm a blush person, I cannot like go out without a blush and my eyebrows done. If you know me, then you know that. Okay, I just have 1 minute 20 seconds. I'm gonna do my kajal first because that is easy. I mean, easier than a liner. And I am that person who cannot put a liner, like winged liner and stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna get liner up today. I'm not getting liner today because it's less than a minute now, and I think I'll just tightline my eyes. Also guys, ignore my weird face while putting kajal and liner. And I'm done. We still have like 20 seconds left. If you can see, yeah, we have 20 seconds left. So yes, I did the challenge. I did not get the liner, but I definitely did get 5 products on my face. So it's a big thumbs up for me. And yeah, I think this is the look that I created. So yeah, let me know if you liked it in the comment section below. So yes guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any more video requests. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.